Hello friends, welcome back to our time management basic course. In our last video we saw how we can save some time by moving to a place or an apartment close to the office, and that not only saves time but also gives our body more relaxed time. Now today we are going to look into a different options because this is possible if you're single and you're staying in a rented place. Then it's convenient to move closer to the office, but then probably you might have already purchased the house, and that's not going to be an easy option to move closer to the office, right? So let's look into other options available. All right, the second option that most people I have seen did was they have spent a considerable amount of time to prioritize their office work, right? What does it mean is, many of times what we do is, the moment we get some task assigned to us, we jumpstart on that and immediately focus on solving that problem or task at hand. That's actually the mentality of technical people, right? We just want to solve problems. That's actually a big problem in itself, because that way we are not actually planning through and not working that whether that work is actually of high priority or do we have other priority work at hand. So let's look it into more detail. Of course, so we all know what it means to prioritize our office work. That means, say you are at work and you already have a list of tasks that you need to complete for that day, right? And it also happens that over the due course of that day you get more tasks coming in, right? Now we have to be very particular about this. When I say to prioritize it work, of course you have to prioritize your own work, right, which is assigned here, but we also have to be very sharp and thoughtful that that somebody else is not assigning their work to us, right? So we should be very clear in saying no to them, or if possible delegate it back to them or somebody who is responsible for this particular new work that is coming through. So what I mean by prioritize, always assign 80-20 rule. Just make sure that you complete 20% of your work or 20% of the list of work that is at your hand, so that it completes 80% of your, or it brings 80% benefit. So always keep this in mind. At office we should always be very efficient and productive. So basically we complete 20% of the task at hand, making sure 80% benefit is obtained. If everybody does that, I am pretty sure all companies will be very successful. But here we are talking about one person at a time. So prioritize work, apply 80-20 rule in each of the tasks at your hand, and come out with an idea that each of the tasks that you do every day should bring you 80% benefit, and that will basically bring you a lot of time that will save for you. If you invest equal amount of time in all the work, basically the entire day will be working out and you'll actually get nothing done end of the day. I hope you have learned something new today, and please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.